Hey guys, I'm coming at you with a new video today, and today's video is a little different. It's an unboxing, and I ordered from Nkeoma.com, and I got the Kola African print satchel in yellow and pink. And if you don't know, Nkeoma is a brand by the YouTuber Iffy Yvonne, and it's her brand with her sister Inky. And so I always watch Iffy, and when I saw her show the bag, I'm like, okay, I have to get this for my mom. I'm not much of a bag lady, or I'm not a girly girl, so I don't really wear bags and purses like that. But when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is so nice. I have to get it for my mom. So right now, let's get into the unboxing. Okay, so this shipped really quickly. I ordered it on a Wednesday for $55, free shipping for the US, and it came on a Sunday. So it was really, really quick. And also along the way, I kept getting email notifications of when it was coming. So I really like the communication between the site and me. And so as you can see, there's a white carrying bag that comes with it. It's a drawstring carrying bag. It says Nkeoma by Ivy and Livy on it. And so I really thought that it was cool that she included that to carry the bag around. And so once I pulled off the bag, I saw that she included another protective bag for the bag. And I thought that was also very good because, purses are easy to get scratched and scraped up. So I like that she added the double protection for it. So once I pulled it out, oh my gosh, look how pretty that is, guys. The colors are so bright, so vibrant. And that's what caught my eye when I saw it in her video. So yeah, as you can see, it's like a mustardy type yellow. It has pink, it has blue. And if you've ever worn Ankara clothes or African print cotton before, you know that that's a common design pattern. So you could easily find something to wear with it. And it also says Nkeoma. It has an Nkeoma tag on it. And so it has a zipper and it has two little gold rings. And I'm going to show you guys that there's also a longer handle that goes with that. So yeah, I thought that was really cool. And there they go. So you could connect it to those rings as I'm showing you, and then you could use it as a longer type bag, maybe like a crossover bag. You could use it in that way. And so there's a zipper on one side. It also says Nkeoma on the inside, and on the other side it has two pockets. And so it's very roomy inside, and the quality is so nice, guys. Like, look at that bag. So I'm just showing you guys up close. I like how the print got incorporated to the material. I thought it would be like a cotton material on the bag, but it actually wasn't. It was like a part of the leather, like full leather material. So the quality was really, really nice. It's a durable bag, guys. Like, it's not gonna rip. So here I am modeling it for you guys. Like I said, I'm not like or I don't know if I said that, but I'm not a girly girl, so I don't really use bags. But like once I put that around my arm, I was feeling myself. I'm like, okay. So yeah, this is going to be a gift for my mom, and I know she'll love it. So once again, once you're done with the bag, you can always put it back into the drawstring carrying bag and keep it in your room, keep it wherever. It'll be nice and safe. So yeah, guys, Nkeoma.com, that Kola bag gets 2 thumbs up for me. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
Mr. Leggy on the beat.